welcome to my channel. This is ZuriFX here, and this is my one stroke roses. Alright, the kit that I'm using is Global Colors, and I got this face paint kit off of Amazon, and I'm going to use this split cake with the red, pink, and white. And I'm going to go ahead and load my brush. I'm going to take my water, spray it a little bit more, and start loading back and forth, back and forth. Load a little bit more. I want to make sure my brush is nicely loaded so it will apply to the skin correctly. So I'm going to take my angled brush, apply it to my skin, and I'm going to make an upside down U. And then I'm going to go ahead and make a regular U. Then I'm going to go to the side and make a small C. Go to the other side and make a small C. And continue with the same method. And there you go. So the next rose, I'm going to load my brush again. Start with upside down U. And go in with a regular U. A little C. And continue with the same method. Right now I am going to reload my brush. And with this rose, I'm going to make the rose a little bigger. So with my brush, I'm going to make I'm going to take my brush and kind of zigzag it on my skin and make a full circle. Okay, I got the full circle down. So right now I want to make sure that it dries before I continue. And so while that dries, I'm going to do another rose. Okay, I got it dry, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same method as I did with the other flowers, and I'm going to do it right in the middle of the circle. And these are my flowers. Well, my roses. Okay, for the remainder of the video, it will be fast forwarded. I'm just using different split cakes in different colors and making multiple roses. I must say, everything that I've learned from my mentor, my friend, D Works Spencer, and she is D Works Paints 2 and D Works Entertainment. So if you want to Google her up, or she'll be right in my description when I put it on later. Okay, I just did a few more roses, and now I'm going to go in with the green split paint and kind of make some different shaped leaves. Okay, I'm done. Oh, bye!